this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just wanted to hop on and show you my post review. If you have not purchased a crystal canvas.usa crystal art, you need to go over like right now. Like after this video, click on the link, run over there because these things are breathtaking. I have one of these in a non-crystal I have not done yet, but when I saw this come up, I'm like, you know what? I want a crystal version and a non-crystal, and I'm going to compare them. So that will be down the road, hopefully in this summer. But look at this rainbow succulent. Oh my goodness, 100% crystal all the time. Now, some of her pieces of work do have 310 as normal for the depth, because if you do have crystals all over, depending on the picture, it actually makes the opposite and washes it out. So it just depends on the image. Some of them you'll get normal 310s, and some of them you'll get crystal 310s. But how gorgeous is this? 27 colors, and it was printed so it can be this way. But I think it's beautiful no matter how I frame it. It could be this way. It's just breathtaking. And I enjoyed every minute of this. So I'm going to go through my log post review. And I've got to get these actually in here. I'm going to have to go back through and watch my own videos. But I do have this post review that I need to mark for star ratings. Canvas glue says complete stick, slippery, rivers, bubbles, etc. The canvas glue is phenomenal. I've yet to run into any of Amy's crystal canvas art that have issues. It is a poured glue, so sometimes it could be a little slippery. That's okay, just expose it more to the air, and as you go along, the slippery part will dissipate. Symbol clarity. I did not have any trouble with clarity itself, but I will say I did have to use a light pad for some of the darker ones. So this was a $6.99 was a green with an O. And with the light pad, it was fine. It was printed clear, but like over here, they printed it on very dark blue, so the symbol was a little bit difficult to see. But I'm going to turn my light pad on. If you put the light pad on, you can see them, and they popped right off the screen, and you knew where to put them. I am going to give it a 4-star though, because it's dark. I almost wish they printed white on the dark colors instead of black on dark. Drill quality and quantity. Did I run out? Let me show you. I used one of these little guys here. As you can see, I did not run out of any of the colors. Down here it was 2. So I still have plenty of the 5200. Lots and lots of colors. I didn't fret at all. I could be very choosy because sometimes with rhinestones or crystals, the silver part on the back rubs off just because they're in there having fun, chit-chatting. So I was able to be choosy, so I give that 5 stars. Design success, you tell me. I think it turned out beautiful. It's a 40 by 50. It is my sweet spot. I think you get a lot of great detail with the 40 by 50. My arms can reach that length, so I don't feel like my chest is on the drills or anything like that, so that's great. Also, when you turn it, you can have like a good amount right in front of you. And then the experience, absolutely. You guys watched me do this throughout videos. It was pleasant, it was fun. It was just one of these relaxing photos, and the colors just, whew, really bling, bling, bling. So absolutely love it. So I gave 5 stars for glue, 4 stars for symbol clarity, 5 stars for drill quality and quantity, 5 stars for design success, and 5 stars for experience. So I'm going to let you guys choose your favorite crystal canvas over at Amy's shop, crystalcanvas.usa, and you tell me what you think of this. This is one that I am going to cut and put in my portfolio. I don't think I need to seal it because it will be in my portfolio behind something. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It does match my daughter's room. Maybe I'll convince her that I can frame it and put it in her room. We'll see. She's a teenager. But I absolutely think this is phenomenal. So thank you so much. Do be a little bit choosy on what you pick for crystals. Amy does a really good job of trying to pick designs that look well with the extra bling. Rhinestones and crystals do look different than the opaque diamonds. So make sure if you're out there, even if you're not shopping at Amy's store, that you're keeping that in mind. Otherwise, it might end up becoming more distorted or a little bit blurry, so to speak. But absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Amy. Thank you for your product. This is a post review. I love doing post reviews. That's why I started my channel, because I wanted to show how to kit up, how to do it, chit chat with you, and then a post review. So let me know what one you're working on and what your next canvas is. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.